Before we jump into the absolute fastest way to install Kali Linux on Windows, you should know that you actually have 5 different ways to run it depending on your needs. First, there's a direct native install where Kali is installed straight onto your main drive as your system primary OS. The second one is dual booting, which gives you access to both Windows and Kali Linux side by side. You simply choose which OS to launch every time you power on your PC. Then the third is WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, which lets you run Kali commands directly inside your Windows command prompt or a terminal without leaving your desktop. Then the fourth is the virtual machine method. When using a VM or a Oracle box, there are actually two ways to go about it. A full traditional installation using an ISO file or downloading a pre-built virtual image, which is the ultra fast shortcut I will be showing you today. And the fifth one is you have the live USB boot. Think of this as a pocket friendly Kali Linux. You flash it into a pen drive, save your persistent data, and carry your complete toolkit anywhere to plug in and boot up on any machine. Now let's get straight into the setup. First, head up to the kali.org. Look for the pre-built virtual machines options. Depending on your software, you are using, whether it's VMware or Oracle VirtualBox, download the machine pre-built image for your machine. Once it downloaded and extracted, open your virtual machine software. Click Add or Open Machine. Navigate to your downloaded file. And import it. I have already imported, so I will now start the machine. Power on the machine. It will take time for the first time. Before we log in, a quick test for you guys. If you already know the default username and password for Kali Linux, drop it in the comment down below. And if you know the other method of installation of Kali Linux, you can also comment down below. Subscribe